Good day to you. I'm in my car with my cigar. I'm enjoying the Sweet Jane. I guess you heard my story about it before, how I love Drew Estate products. The price points are right around where you can enjoy great premium cigars at very decent pricing. Today we're going to talk about why I'm always talking about being great. So I'm going to light this up and get started. Oh, Sweet Jane. So I want to talk about being grateful and how being great connects with being grateful. And I also want to talk about the misunderstanding that everyone has about respect. We'll tie that in with being grateful, being thankful. I'm always telling people you can be great. That everything, every step that you take in life is directly connected with a choice. You choose to be broke. You choose to be married. You choose to be abused. You choose to suffer. You didn't cause it. You didn't create it. But you choose the fact of staying in it. And I want you to choose to be great. I want you to understand that greatness is not by accident. And that your being great is a given. Only if you're willing to work hard and you're willing to maintain a balanced strategy of always doing and being your best. Being grateful is connected with being great because you realize the accomplishments and the price that's paid to accomplish that which you believe in. It's only accomplished through being grateful and realizing how you got here, when you got here. And when you do that, there's a sense of being grateful. And then when you look at other people, your gratefulness connects you with a type of compassion that understanding they are where they are by choice. It wasn't a thorough plan involved, but they are where they are by choice. And that you can show your gratefulness by exercising a kind of respect toward them. Now let's talk about respect. I hear a lot of people a lot greater than me. And most people are greater than me in the field of motivation. And they talk about the idea that respect is earned. And I know I'm a little peon, so what do I know? Respect doesn't have to be earned. In fact, I don't believe that respect is earned. I believe that respect is what you give to others because you have such a high level of self-respect that it would be irresponsible to disrespect or fail to respect. You have a high level of self-respect, and therefore it would be irresponsible to disrespect or fail to respect. Remember that. Everyone must be treated with dignity and respect. Now, if they are disrespectful, you maintain respect. Why? Because your self-respect is at such a level that you cannot descend to a level where you're being less than respectful. How about that? So that's something to think about, because the important thing is being grateful in the pathway to greatness. It's a prerequisite. It's something that I'm counting on you to do. So once again, this is Mr. Tate, Mr. Dad, Arnold Mr. Dad Tate, in my car with my cigar. Like this video, share this video, like, share. And also catch me on YouTube and get caught up on my videos. And share them with a friend that may not be on Facebook and may not have YouTube by email. Thank you.